We are going to New Banana Island in the city of Port Harcourt. Right, guys. Remember that Madam Peku Africa always come with good news for you. Hey, I want where you follow me, they shout. Woo! You dey see what they see, so maybe you know they see and where. I did the New Banana Island off Odili Road. You don't understand. And you need to come collect your plot sharply with just 6 million naira. You don't hear say for even Port Harcourt City, you dey buy one plot of land 6 million. Where everything they cost like this. Maybe you don't understand what they talk. Off Odili Road, New Banana Island with 6 million naira only. See, you get your one plot. Are you seeing it? They are walking the road as I'm talking to you. Look at it. You can see vehicles passing. People are already living here. Can you see? Can you see? We just drive into the place now. New Banana Island off Odili Road. Not be only Lagos, now Banana Island. It's there Port Harcourt now. And now Mercy Homes and Property, that they bring this one for you. If you leave this thing before quarter of next year, you go past 10 million. Make you not say Madam Peck will not tell you. I don't tell you now. Follow me, make I show you how the land they very okay. You dey hear me, sir? This plot you must get am. If you dey abroad or US, Canada, UK, anywhere where you dey, you need to just sharply call us. Take your plot, your papers, everything will be ready for you. And I know they charge you for any papers. With 6 million, both your paper, everything, your document, they okay. You go get your plot. See them now. They are tying the road. Yes. They are tying the road. As you can see, buildings, everything, they here. Follow me, make I show you. The number to call is always here now, you know. 09034296519. See house, see road, see everything for Port Harcourt City, off Odili Road. 6 million. Hey! You reach to shout. Follow me and shout. Oh. Now the New Banana Island off Odili Road. Name they talk about, and I be the good news where Mama Peku Africa bring forward now. So where I dey now part of New Banana Island, and our governor, yes, so we can governor of Rivers State. See this bridge, if you dey see and when you don't start them, you go finish the bridge, go join with that way they there, so that you go give access road, because there are other road where you go fit pass. But as you see, the environment, people don't live. House is full everywhere. You dey see the house. Hey, Chineke, 6 million naira only. Follow for this testimony. You see that prayer where they pray since God don't carry and give you. Bye bye. I dey for the entrance of the New Banana Island. This one not be for Lagos today, now for Port Harcourt today. And now 6 million naira, you go collect your one plot. You do your investigation to get any information where you won't get. This thing they sweet me. It they sweet my body. Because I never see this kind of cheap plot before. It they do me like say, make I collect all the whole plot. But I don't go fit carry everything now. I don't go fit carry everything. So I need you to go collect your own plot. Call me for New Banana Island off Odili Road here in Port Harcourt. Alright guys, we are just coming back from New Banana Island. Yes, as you can see now the entrance with this to New Banana Island. What till they wait for you? If your money no reach Lagos Banana Island, they make you sharply collect Port Harcourt. Oh no, now be the new oil money. Oh, you don't understand. Right, we are at Mercy Homes and Properties. Follow me, let's get to the office. We are just coming from New Banana Island. In Port Harcourt that is selling at 6 million naira just off Odili Road. You we now reach the office. Mercy Homes and Properties. You dey see am. Once you come here, you just enter this place. They will open am for you and they will give you your property with just 6 million naira. If na transfer you want to, fine. If na POS, anyone want to, sharp, Your documents, everything will arrange under 2 weeks. Your document all ready for you. Come here, collect your plot. If you won't go inspection, you carry you go inspection. They hear me say, follow me. Yeah. Yes, we don't come. Now messy home and properties with this, you don't understand. You dey enjoy the place they be happy. Just come here. Number 181 Odili Road, opposite Chicken Republic. Make you come collect your plot of New Banana Island. If you miss Lagos own, na opportunity to get this one. That dollar no dey hide that number. Na 09034296519. Make you collect your property.